Welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. Today we have Anna with us. She came here a year ago. Today she's here to be our model. She's a teacher. Yes, a teacher of Rachmaninov Music School, Anna Viktorovna Badikova, teaching choir and vocal classes. Right. We met Anna a year ago when she came here and asked us to make her a skirt. So we did. Then she thought the skirt would need a jacket. We made the jacket as well. We asked her to wear both today. She told us she'd lost a bit of weight, but still she doesn't want to make any adjustments to the outfit we made for her. We want to show it to you. The skirt is a bit flared to the bottom. The hemline is diagonal. Well, now it's obvious that the size is not quite the fit. Well, that's a good sign, Anna, isn't it? Of course. And the jacket is very simple. Anna coaches choir, so she needs to be able to lift her hands up high. That's why she asked to make bigger armholes, so she can feel free and comfortable. I suppose we're able to satisfy your wish. Of course, I really like this outfit. It's comfortable to wear and to work in. It looks presentable. It feels nice, so I'm very satisfied. The result is great. It's a wonderful look for my job, so thanks a lot. Today we want to make a review of the clothes made for Anna. Let's move to the table and look at the designs. It all started 2 days ago. We began a discussion with Anna. At first, we had Chanel-style fabric. I was looking for designs that would work with this kind of fabric. And Anna said she would have to think about it. She sent me examples of designs she liked. As I understood, it was a vivid boho chic. And for this kind of clothing, Chanel fabric isn't a good material. But I thought it would be better to find a compromise. So I came up with one. Though I'm not a huge fan of boho chic, I did it. I thought she should have been the one to try it. I suggested we pick the first design she had sent me. A pantsuit. Here's the suit. It looks like a loose shirt from behind. It's kind of masculine with 2 vents on the back. The pants are very, very wide. It's trendy now. The front looks a bit different. It looks like men's shirt from behind, but here we see blazer parts. A low collar, elements of sport clothing are here too. Patch pockets, a self belt in the bottom, like a shoelace. It's sporty chic. The pants have a fold around the waistline and pockets. Well, I guess there's an elastic band on the back side of the pants. Yeah, here. So we picked this suit because I thought it's autumn. We want to wear warm clothes. And pants are very warm, they are more comfortable. Later, I learned that it was one of the suits that I suggested that Anna liked. She liked 2 designs from what I suggested. So we'll have 2 suits. I listened to you, you listened to me. Now we will both be happy. I also wanted to know that my style, what I wear, there are a lot of big sleeves. Big collars. I love them. Clothes should be comfortable to move when you use gestures, when you explain something. I love feeling that I'm not limited by clothes. It's the right thing after all, when you're not limited by your clothes, like you don't wear anything. I like this outfit very much. It's trendy, it's interesting. It's both boho chic and sports chic. I'm a tall woman, 5 feet 8 inches. This fit gives a slender look. It makes plus size look very comfortable, very nice, beautiful to me. That's how I feel. I'm very glad. I also liked a lot the red dress, shirt-like dress with a huge flower. It's extravagant, a very, very beautiful dress, and it would look great on you. Let's talk about the fabric for the suit. It's herringbone. There are 2 thin lines. One is light blue, and the other is navy blue. I think it will be very interesting for you. I think it will be very interesting for you to see how we will cut patterns for the suit from a plaid fabric, how to make it look good. I think it should be very comfortable for you to wear because it's wrinkle resistant and you will be warm and comfortable in it. Regarding the plaid pattern, in our store we also have plaid fabric. So let's not forget about that. It's very comfortable and very pretty. The fabric we chosen originally was Chanel. The outfit will be everyday chic, and also picked a very beautiful dress that has many decorative elements. We'll show it later. Today we're really out of time to talk about it. Anna should already be running to the classes. But just wait for it. When we'll be cutting the fabric, we'll invite Anna once again for fitting, and you'll see everything. What do you want to tell? Thanks to Karolina, who's Anna's pupil, we got to meet Anna. And we're glad to work with you. We're looking forward to our next meeting and hoping to have you as our model often. And I'll try to represent you well. It's time to say goodbye. It's been Svetlana and Anna. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Until next time, goodbye.